Okay, here we are in section 4.3, something that you would have read over on Friday. And we're discussing definitions for cosecant theta being 1 over sine theta, secant theta being 1 over cos theta, and cotan theta equaling 1 over tan theta. And in the first question here, it says use a calculator to determine the 6 trig ratios for 20 degrees, for instance. All right, so the 6 trig ratios are these, sine, cos, and tan, and then the reciprocal trig formulas as well. So the sine of 20, I can just simply put into my calculator as 20 sine, and I get this number. It says round to 3 decimal places, so I'm going to be 0.342. And in order to get the reciprocal trig ratio, so the reciprocal of sine is cosecant, you should have on your calculator an x to the negative 1 button or a 1 over x button. On this particular calculator, I have a 1 over x button, which is right here. So with this number already in my calculator, all I have to do is press shift and the 1 over x button, and I get 2.924, which would represent the cosecant of 20 degrees. Okay, so we know that the cosecant is the same as the 1 over sine 20, right? So if I'm doing 1 over sine 20, I'm doing 1 divided by 0.342, or using the x to the negative 1 button or the 1 over x button on my calculator, I can get the same answer.